What types of income streams do the wealthy have? Click the subscribe button to join the family that's hungry for success. Click the bell icon to get a notification when I make a new video. We all know that the word job stands for just over broke. This is because the average person relies only on one sort of income stream, whereas the wealthy have 7 different income streams. Now, not all the wealthy people have all 7 of these incomes that I will be talking about, but the average wealthy person has at least 5 of these sorts of income streams. There's earned income, which is things like jobs. This is where the time you spend working determines the money you will receive. And this is the area which is taxed the most compared to all the other 6 income streams. Second is dividend income, which is the stock market. Here you invest your money in forex or buying shares in businesses. You could be a long-term investor or a short-term investor. It all depends on how patient you are. Some people prefer cash flow over capital gain and vice versa. Interest income is the third type of income stream. In this field, your money makes you money. This would be used when charging a person for borrowing your money. Number 4 is royalty income. This is where people are paid for their intellectual property. I don't think many people have this stream of income, apart from people like Drake or Justin Bieber and other musicians and producers, as it focuses on you charging a person for using your ideas. Number 5 is capital gains. For all those watch collectors out there, capital gains is when you buy an asset in hopes to sell it in the near future or far future for a profit. This is called asset appreciation. Number 6 is profit income. These are where the entrepreneurs and business owners fit in, as profit income is the type of income stream entrepreneurs receive if their hard work pays off and they have a successful business. Lastly, number 7, rental income. These are landlords. I feel like this is where most millionaires are made because real estate has low risks with high gains if you know what you're doing. You must realize that wealthy people don't start all 7 of these at the same time. They start one type of income stream, and once it has grown sufficiently, they create another one on the side. Then slowly or quickly, depending on how aggressive the person is, they end up with all 5 or more income streams. Having different types of income streams helps because then you no longer rely on one stream of income. If their business was going to fail tomorrow, wealthy people would still be left with 6 other income streams to cushion their fall. If you only rely on your job but want to reach the level where you can quit your job without having your lifestyle affected, start by building up another type of income stream and slowly growing it. Comment below on what you want the next video to be on. I post every Sunday before noon. Subscribe if you're a person who wishes to grow their income or become successful and increase your skills and ability to earn more money. Always use the information I teach you to make it your own, cause only then will you be successful.